Look, if you're running YouTube ads or planning on doing it in 2025, you need to stop what you're doing and watch this entire video and take notes. Why? Because the platform has changed more in the last 3 months than it did in the entire previous year. I'm about to share 4 game-changing YouTube ad secret tips that are generating insane results for our agency clients right now. Now, these aren't your typical boost engagement tips either. I'm talking about strategies that are driving high quality leads and sales with the new AI-driven algorithm. Before we dive in, quick intro, I'm Andres from Links Digital Agency. Our agency specializes in managing millions in YouTube ad spend, and we've been beta testing these strategies since late 2024. What I'm about to share isn't theoretical. These are battle-tested tactics that are working right now. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell because these strategies evolve fast and you'll want to stay updated with our latest findings. Let's get into it. Secret number 1, hyper-segmented audiences. Stacking in demand gen. The first secret is what we call hyper-segmented audience stacking. Here's the thing, YouTube's AI has gotten incredibly sophisticated at understanding user intent, but most advertisers are still using basic audience targeting. Instead, we're seeing incredible results by creating what we call micro audience clusters. Here's how it works. You take your custom intent audience, you layer it with in-market segments, and also add detailed demographic filters, top 20% income, 35 to 55, and you continue adding affinity audiences. We've seen 43% lower cost per conversion using these methods. Secret number 2, the 2025 creative matrix. This approach, YouTube takes new AI, favors accounts that provide multiple creative variations. But here's the key, most people miss. It is not just about having different ads, it's about strategic creative mapping. So for example, we'll create a matrix of 3 different hooks, pattern interrupt, problem solution, and story-based ads, 2 different pacing styles, fast and moderate, 2 different call to action approaches that gives AI enough data to optimize while maintaining message consistency. Number 3, the shorts syndication strategy. This third secret is absolute gold, and we're seeing incredible results with what we call short syndication strategy. Instead of treating shorts as a separate campaign type, we're using them to reinforce our main video ads. So here's the process. You take your best performing standard ad, create 3 to 4 vertical variations for shorts, and you use the same targeting parameters. Then we let YouTube's AI cross-pollinate between formats. We're seeing 67% higher engagement rates and 13% higher conversion rates on middle of the funnel audiences when we implement this properly. Secret number 4, dynamic response optimization. This is something totally new for 2025 when it comes to optimizations on the video ad side. YouTube's latest algorithm update, it heavily favors ads that generate immediate viewer response. So here's what we do. We create what we call response triggers in the first 5 seconds using the visual pattern interrupts, controversial statements, unexpected statistics, direct questions to the viewer, and we're seeing watch times increase by up to 38%, as well as click-through rates for over 2% click-through rates. Now, the bonus one is the conversion bridge method. This is crucial in 2025 because YouTube's algorithm now heavily weighs post-click behavior and conversion value data from your first-party data, and this is the framework. You want to create a seamless journey from ad hook to value proposition to social proof to clear next steps. Those that convert, you want to import offline conversions with respective values so you can modify conversion bidding strategies from max conversions to value bidding. It simply helps you identify winning pockets audience-wise, and we're not only seeing higher conversion rates, but we're also seeing lead quality improve along with this structured approach. Now, if you want to implement these strategies into your business, here's what I want you to do. There's going to be a link in the description here where you can actually book a call with one of our reps so we can speak to you and see if you're a fit and we're a fit to working together. Also, if you're serious about scaling your YouTube ads in 2025, my team is opening up a few spots for clients. You want to click the link below so you can book a strategy call with us. And that's it for today's video. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting edge YouTube ad strategies. This is Andres from Links Digital, and we'll see you on the next one.